Welcome to our tutorial on InfStones Fast API. Fast API is a powerful product that allows you to interact with your preferred blockchain networks quickly and securely. In this guide, we will walk you through the best ways to leverage Fast API to meet your needs. Let's get started. Start by heading to the Fast API section on your InfStones dashboard. This page provides an overview of your API usage. And here, you can quickly see the projects you and your team members have created, as well as the protocol they're using and their current status. To create a new Fast API project, navigate to the right side of your screen. Select your preferred protocol, assign a unique name to your project, and then click the Create Project button for immediate setup. However, before you proceed, please ensure the new project complies with the limits of your subscription plan. To upgrade, simply click the Change Plan link. This will take you to the service pricing page, where you can choose from 4 different plan levels, each designed to meet your specific needs. And if you are wondering how to choose the best plan for you, don't hesitate to contact our support. We're here to help. With that sorted, let's finish creating our project. Head back to your Fast API dashboard and select your preferred network. In our case, we'll stick with Ethereum. Next, let's give this project a clear and descriptive name. For example, if you're working on a payment gateway, you could simply call it Payment Gateway. Finally, click the Create Project button, and you're all set. Our new Ethereum API is now up and running. On your new Project Overview page, you'll find a detailed summary and options to edit the project name, track usage, and access API endpoints. For free tier users, it's important to keep a close eye on your plan usage to avoid any potential disruptions. Additionally, on the right side of this page, you'll find different use cases and resources to help you explore more ways to utilize your project. Use the Stats tab to get an in-depth analysis of your API performance metrics. Here, you'll see a snapshot of your project's response rate and request cost across various time frames. The Logs tab, on the other hand, shows a historical record of your API requests and responses. With this feature, you can quickly analyze and understand how your API works and is being used. As for the Security tab, here we can see how InfStones prioritizes robust security while also giving you adequate control over your projects. From this page, you can choose from various security measures, including setting up an IP whitelist, defining request limits for each project, and more. Returning to your Fast API dashboard, we have the Manage Plan tab. Multiple protocols are accessible on this page, and each one provides valuable information about the protocol plan usage. You can also upgrade your plan by using the Change Plan option available here. Selecting any protocol will immediately transport you to that protocol's usage page. This page provides a comprehensive overview of all of your projects within the selected protocol, allowing you to monitor their activity and usage over time. You can also filter the data for optimal tracking performance, ensuring you always have the most relevant information at your fingertips. And that's it. That wraps up our tutorial on InfStones Fast API. For more detailed information, please refer to our documentation on the InfStones website. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you succeed with InfStones.